Barista Maniac here. Today's coffee is Propero from Metropolis Coffee Company. Seth from Metropolis, he's the marketing, social media, communications guy, was nice enough to send me a bag of this. I'm going to do a toddy cold brew today with this Propero. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. What I like to do first is you want to set up your toddy. You want to put the filter in here. You want to moisten it as best as possible. And you insert that at the bottom here. And then on the other side, there's actually a cork. And you just put that in the bottom to kind of plug up the hole. So next thing you want to do is take your Propero coffee. And I've added it to my grinder already, so I have it set on 40 right now, which is a really coarse grind. That's what you want for this. And the reason why you want this is because the water needs to travel through all the grounds and get them saturated, because this is going to sit for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grind up the coffee now. Alright, and then the next step, you just want to take some really good tap water, or spring water I mean, and I would do about 2 cups on the bottom to start. Alright, and then I'm going to take my grounds. I want to try and pour this in as quick as possible without bumping the toddy. It does create quite a bit of a mess. So now what I'm going to do is pour a little bit more water on top of these coarse grounds from the Propero coffee. Just kind of want to turn the toddy just so you can get them all saturated and moist. For my toddies, I like to fill up the bucket all the way. Do keep in mind that you have to be really careful with that, because it could overflow based on the weight. I'll go ahead and use the rest of this. Alright, one more time should do it. What I'm doing now is I'm adding another 3 cups of water. I've done a total of 6 so far, so this will be a total of 9. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill this up all the rest of the way. Do keep in mind this is really messy, but it's well worth the wait and the time that you put into it. And I'm going to use the rest of my water here. Alright, what you want to do, what I like to do, is put a piece of foil over it. And then put a rubber band around the top. And you just let this sit for 12 hours on your counter, and tomorrow you pull the cork from the bottom and put it into a glass decanter, or you could put it into a plastic pitcher and let it drain. It turns it into a concentrate. For me, I like to do a 12-ounce size, so it's 4 parts, so it's 4 ounces of coffee concentrate from the Propero, and then I add another 3 ounces of really good water, and then some ice, and you're good to go. Alright guys, thanks for watching.